A U.S. federal judge has issued a strong warning to NASCAR amid the ongoing antitrust trial filed by 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports. On the third day of the proceedings, Judge Kenneth Bell reprimanded the organization for missteps during testimony, sending a clear message that any further violations could carry serious consequences. The warning came after NASCAR, while questioning team owner Bob Jenkins, introduced material that had been explicitly ruled off-limits before the trial began. Specifically, the attorneys referenced a quote from Jeff Dickerson, a non-witness whose statements were not meant to be entered into evidence. In addition, the defendant's legal team attempted to probe Jenkins' personal business finances beyond the scope allowed by pretrial rulings. These actions prompted a stern admonishment from Judge Bell, who emphasized the importance of adhering to evidentiary rules and pretrial agreements. According to reports, the judge made it clear that any further violations by NASCAR could lead to significant consequences. Bob Jenkins of Fox Sports summarized the situation, noting that the court adjourned for the day with Jenkins' testimony scheduled to continue the following morning. Jenkins explained that the issues at hand involved reading a text that should have been redacted and probing financial information that had been explicitly protected. The judge's warning highlighted the seriousness of following court procedures, especially in high-profile cases like this one. The lawsuit itself revolves around allegations that NASCAR has maintained a monopoly on premier stock car racing, potentially violating antitrust laws. 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports claim that the organization has used its power to limit competition, including through the charter system and other contractual mechanisms that restrict team ownership and participation in alternative series. The case has attracted significant attention because it examines the balance of control, fairness, and business operations within one of America's most popular motorsports organizations. While NASCAR continues to defend its practices, the judge's warning adds pressure to ensure strict compliance with legal protocols. Any additional missteps could have serious implications for the organization's credibility in court and the overall outcome of the trial. Bob Jenkins' testimony, which provides insight into the financial and operational challenges faced by smaller teams, remains central to the plaintiff's case. As the trial moves forward, all eyes are on NASCAR, the teams involved, and the legal strategies being employed on both sides. The ruling and the judge's warning underscore the stakes at play, not only for the immediate parties but for the future governance of the sport itself. The proceedings this week will likely continue to explore complex issues around competition, team finances, and the rules that govern NASCAR, keeping fans and industry insiders closely tuned in.